This is where it all began. Karate taught me discipline, focus, and respect. Every punch, every kick, every kata shaped the foundation of who I am today. But I craved more. I wanted to push my limits, to test my strength in new ways. That's when I discovered kickboxing, a sport that challenged my endurance, power, and technique. It wasn't just about fighting. It was about finding my inner warrior. Well, today I'm here to share it with you. My journey in martial arts started when I was very little. It all began with my father, who introduced me to karate. He was not only my biggest supporter but also my first coach. Those early years shaped my passion for martial arts and taught me discipline and resilience. Then came the ultimate test, MMA, a world where tradition meets raw intensity. I'm currently training with Coach Abdullah Azizi at London MMA Warriors in West London, focusing on a mix of technique and conditioning. The sessions are intense but rewarding, helping me improve my skills and fitness in MMA. Let me know in the comments what reel you're excited to watch next. I appreciate your support and thank you for tuning in.